Good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from OpenAsk.com, and we're doing another first here. We're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 3, and I think it's a Nike edition. Okay, we bought this today at Beyond the Box, and on the receipt it says there gives you the address of the two service centers that they have. Okay, so one is in BGC, one is in Vera Mall in Green Hills. Okay. We bought it for 11,390.50. There was a 5% discount when we bought it. Ano. So as you can see, it says Nike Sport. Okay. So bought this as a gift for my wife. Christmas gift, late lang kasi wala kami mahanap na stock. So gonna do a quickie. Okay. I can't find my knife. I think it's outside, so that's why I'm using this nail cutter. Okay. According to the clerk, 7 days replacement warranty and 1 year for. Di ba mama, tama? 1 year? Something? Okay. So I'm the one opening her gift because we need to do the quick unboxing. On the side, okay, you can see it says it's the Apple Watch Nike Series 3 38mm case, space gray aluminum, Nike Sport Band, anthracite black. Okay, I've never had an Apple Watch. I always use Android watches. So this is the first time I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing for this. So designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. So this is, I think, a collaboration piece. So the watch itself sports a black band. Okay, so anthracite black daw yung color niya. So let's see what else is inside here. Okay. Okay. This is instructions on how to wear your watch. Same here. I think different lang ang languages. Okay. Kasala ng paper. Okay. See? Okay. And what's this? There's an extra band. Okay. May extra band siyang kasama. Extra one. Okay. So there's an extra bottom one. Okay. So we'll put it back there. And I have no idea what this one on the top is. Okay. This is the charging cord. So nakatago siya. Okay. Wow. Oh, para ako naglalaro. Okay. Oh, so I assume you charge it by making it patong. There, see? It's magnetic. Okay. Okay. We remove the plastic. So there it is. So far, doesn't look like it has scratches. Okay. So just turn it on pressing this one. So the watch is saying pair it. Okay. So all you need to get your iPhone and find the watch app. Okay. It's already there. It's already I didn't install it, so it's already there. So it's gonna start pairing. To set up your Apple Watch, make sure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular network and turn on your Bluetooth. Okay. So wait, it's already on. Okay, so it's now on. We're gonna put on your Apple Watch and hold it to your camera. Why do I have to put it on? It's not my watch. Okay. Wait lang guys, I have to put it on daw. Okay. And then align it with the viewfinder. Okay, like that now. paired. Okay, so set up Apple Watch. I didn't need to put it on. Nahirapan lang ako. Okay, connecting to your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Okay, so there's the usual terms and conditions. So agree. So signing in account to the, I guess, to the Apple account. So now it's paired. The first thing that it's asking is we're gonna route tracking. So this is for exercise. So we'll turn it on. Okay. The language of chosen for your iPhone is supported by Siri. You can continue. Okay. Apple Watch share settings with iPhone and everything, blah blah blah. Okay. Create a passcode. So it's gonna ask you to create a passcode. Okay, so we're gonna put a passcode. It's gonna ask you for a 4-digit passcode, and it's gonna show here on your Apple Watch. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna ask you to enter the passcode twice. If you like, you can provide a little bit of information about yourself to set up. No, skip this. Okay. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Okay. Continue. You can download the Nike Run Club app if you want, but we're not gonna do it now. So it also has an emergency SOS. So this button in the right side, if you press it a long time, it's supposed to send an SOS. Okay. And now we're gonna ask you to install the apps. We work on your Apple Watch, or we're gonna install it all. Okay. And your Apple Watch is syncing now. So as you can see, it changed the face. Okay. So the knob here, or the crown here on the side, is supposed to be the one to help you navigate your watch. Okay. So there's 2 series right now that's available. This Series 3, Series 5. This is the Series 3. It starts about at 11,990 according to the website. It has a 38 and a 42 millimeter size of the screen, I guess, the display area. It's 11.4 mm thick. Okay, it doesn't have the electrical heart sensor, but it does have an optical heart sensor, so it can measure your heartbeat. It's powered by a dual core S3 processor. Okay, so its connectivity is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So once it finishes syncing, the message you're gonna see is your Apple ID and phone number are now being used for iMessage and FaceTime on a new Apple Watch. Okay. Okay. So it's still not done, so we're gonna wait again. Guys, so this is the end, I guess. We synced everything. So there's the watch, it says. So you can set it up the type of faces that you want. Your watch is ready. Press digital crown to start. It's making. Okay, so there it is. Now I assume you can change the faces. Okay. So there's some Mickey Mouse watch face apparently. You can choose Mickey or Minnie, and my wife wants Mickey. And the extra band is a longer band. Okay, so I guess this will work for guys, because this one barely covers my wrist. So, but at least you have an extra too if you break it or lose it. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to sub.